Hi guys, welcome back to another tech video tip video. In today's video, we are going to talk about Winver, the application we are going to be checking our system information and stuff. So let me show you. So if I go to Winver as we go, you can see this is the application we are checking what version we are in, what build we are in, all those kind of information. Now there's another application called Modern Winver. It's a really good application. This is like a limited information is there. So let me show you the new application. So in order to install that, go to Start and search for Store and go to Microsoft Store. In here, search for Winver. Now you can see a one called Modern Winver. Go into that and click on Install. So this is a completely free software, so you can use it for anything you want, and it's completely free. Okay, so it's installed now. Let me open it. So as you can see, this is the application. So in this application, you have information like what edition, Windows edition you in, and what update you are in, install date and build version and stuff. So if you're using inside the program in Windows 11, you will be able to see what channel you are in here as well. I have not inside the program, so that's why not there. Okay, and it show me the user and the computer name. And if you go to system tab, it show real-time information about our processor, our RAM and storage. Then there's a theme. If you grant the permission, it's come here. And if you turn off this one, and if you go back again, restart your application. Now if you go to theme, you can see it's showing the current wallpaper and current lock screen, and you have links to go change it there. So if I click on this, it will go to the background section, and let me choose a background here. Okay, so that's it. So the link tab have links like additional links like system properties, tips and stuff, contact Microsoft support and stuff. But I think this one is very useful for you to identify information like update, edition, build, and your RAM and storage information and stuff. So beside using normal winner like Winver like this one, this is the new version. This is a new application we are using. So it has a lot of information other than this old version. So I think that's it for today's video. If you think this video helpful for you to find out how to get this modern Winver version, leave a like, and if you have any question, comment on this video and subscribe to this channel. See you next time with another video like this. Bye bye.